I will show you my working SmartTools designs of brush holder for cleaning, greasing, cutting fluid and cleaning brushcomb with dust cover, compact grinder tool post, universal cutter Arbor for MC tool and BenchDrillChuck, new customized quick change tool post, and the digital Caliper readout. This is my engineering brush set. Big brush to clean the machine. You can clean it with a comb. Then a smaller brush. You can use the smaller brush also as a cutting fluid brush. And then we have a smaller cutting fluid brush with cutting fluid in a holder. Yeah, it works like that. And then we have the red brush with machine oil to grease the machine like that. This is my quick change tool post. It's not for this machine, but I added it a little bit. So it now fits on this place. Made a little adapter to fit in over here. And then put this one on. That. And then you have several tool post change adapters like this one. But I've made my own grinder tool, so it fits like this. And now I can work with it to put in a little power. With this cord, put it in here. And then use the on switch like this. And you can change the tool by pushing in here and unlock the tool. And go over here to the workpiece. The nice thing of this one is I've made it myself from an old motor and a 3D printed nice grinder tool holder, and it works perfectly. I have two fans 3D printed also inside. Yeah, there we are. So I have two different universal cutter arbors over here. This is an MC tool. This is an drill chuck part I made. It's very handy, so I will show it a little bit. This is one I bought, so when I want to put in a gear cutter like this, I have to remove this part. So pull away some of those rings, put it in there, put some back, and then put in the bolt and tighten it. and then put it in the mill like this, and then I can cut gear. But the problem is that gear cutters discs like this come in two inner diameters. So when you have a larger diameter like this is a small one, then it doesn't fit over here. So I made a change in making this brass and cut away a little bit of this diameter, and then I can put this over this disc. I don't have a bigger one until yet, so it can go over here, and then I can lock it with this inside, and then put the same bolt system back on, creating a little gap over here, and there the cutter fits in with a diameter I think of 22 millimeter, and then it works fine. But when you wanted to use it on a drill chuck, I made this adapter, glued this two together, and the same working like before, and you can put in a cutter in here. One moment please, I have to figure out it works. Alright, this one over here, this one with the key in it over here, this one over here. Put it in the drill chuck. But how do you do it? Just put in a drill, and you have to use a drill 8. Take another one, and it fits 8. I said 8, not 8.5. Stay focused. Yeah, and it's not. I would add it. Yeah, so it's not 8.5. And then put it in like this, open wide, come on, yeah, and this goes into the drill, and we lock it with a little screws, and yeah. Then we have a cutter you can put into a drilling machine like this, from the side, from the bottom, from the top. And you think, why the hell did he make this? Because when this is aluminum and you make this out of aluminum, it's not that strong. Yeah, then you make it with steel. Yeah, of course. Yeah, then you're probably right. But this can also make a gear rack. So when you put this in your lathe and it rotates like this, you can go with your gear rack over here and can cut the gear, push it a little further, cut gear, push it a little further, cut gear, and then you have a gear rack. So instead of this drill, just put in a long round bar in your lathe, and you can make easily gear racks. That's it. Next time I will show you my Total Solution CNC MLC. It's a real fully loaded all-in-one CNC controller, USB based, with limit sensors, spindle speed, E2C, joystick control for XYZA axis, for 3D milling, 3D printing with cooling and dust cleaning.